So this is the septic system install. This is the where it drains out here, and they had to put it pretty far down here because they have to meet certain requirements for what the soil's like. But you can see this is where it runs all down through here, and then pretty much empties out here. And we'll have a look up here at this configuration. This is called a Complex Septic System, and the reason they call it that, from what I understand, is that you have two tanks. So the tank up at the top there, the first one, these are concrete tanks. The first one is a 1,000 gallon septic tank. These are manhole covers for it. So you got a 1,000 gallon septic tank. It's coming down from the house. That's the house drain, septic tank. And then this tank is the aeration tank. And this is 1,200 gallons. And it's powered. And it aerates all the time. So it's like having your own water treatment center. And the water that comes out of this and goes into the drain field down there is supposed to be like super good quality water, like you'd get out of a water treatment plant. My understanding is there'll be a little alarm box up there on the house that if there's any problem with aeration, you'll get a little alarm that comes on. But that's the system right there, and it's supposed to get inspected on Monday, so we'll see how that goes. But that's our septic system.